Oh hey! Have you ever noticed how something as simple as entering a country, state, and city can still lead to inconsistent data? What if we told you that one of the biggest cause of poor CRM data isn't just a complex integration or a broken workflow? It's the simple data entries. Every day, user manually types their informations, leading to spelling mistakes, inconsistent values, incorrect namings, and invalid combinations. These small errors don't just affect data entry, they impact reporting, automation, integration, and business decisions. But today, that changes. We are excited to introduce our newest productivity solution for Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Power Apps, the InkeyCountryStateCity Dropdown, a smarter, faster, and more intelligent way to capture information. But let's be honest, traditional field and those traditional text fields were never designed to ensure clean and standardized information. Users can type anything they want. If they want to enter country, state, and city, they might enter United States, or maybe USA, or maybe U.S, or maybe just US, or even misspell the country entirely. The same happens with the states and cities. Over the time, your CRM fills with inconsistent data that's difficult to search, report on, and trust. And the bigger your organization grows, the bigger the problem becomes. So, we have asked ourselves a question: what if selecting this information could be as intelligent as searching for it? That's exactly what we have built. Our new Cascading PCF control that transforms ordinary text fields into intelligent guiding experience. So, let's see it in the action. So now, let's watch how you can start using this PCF control in your own Dynamics 365 environment. We have included a GitHub repository link in the description below, where you can download this PCF control along with the required solution files. So, simply download the solution from the GitHub and import it into your Power Apps environment. So let's say I've downloaded this solution from here and I'll go to my Power Apps. Here, I just need to import a solution and add my PCF control over here. Once my solution is imported, I'll be able to see in the managed solution this Inkey Country-State-City Dropdown solution. Now let's configure the control on a form. For the demonstration, I'm using a contact form which contains 3 single line of text fields: country, state, and city. I'll open the country field and I'll navigate to the components. From here, we will be adding our Inkey Country State City dropdown, but as I have already entered, let me show you the configurations. So once this control has been added to a single line of text field, you just need to give a static value country here, and all the rest of the fields will be blank. Next, you have to check all of these boxes to show the component on mobile, web, and tablet. Then we will go to state. Here, again in the component, we will add our PCF control, and here in the static value we will give state. So this will be showing state of the related country, and to bind this country we will have to bind a table column, which was the previous column that we already configured for country. So this means that based on the country selected in the previous column, we will be filtering the states. That's simple, right? Now let's check the city. Give a static value city here, where we need to bind both of the previous fields, that's country and state. So based on the country and state selected, it will filter all the cities for us. And once this is done, click on the done, save and publish the form. Now let's check in our application. So here is a contact form. You can see over here we have our 3 fields: country, state, and city. When I select a country, the state list is automatically filtered to display only the relevant state. Let me see the country first. Even if we can type, like for right now, I'm in this section, but if I type I in my keyboard, it takes me to I. If I type I and D, it takes me to India. That's even simple. I've selected India in my country. Based on the India, the state has already been filtered for us. Now we have all the relevant states for India. Let's say I'm selecting Gujarat in the state, and all the cities will be automatically filtered based on Gujarat. Now let's go to city, where I have all the list of cities related only to Gujarat. Now let's select Surat here. Let's say I have another country like United States. So I'm selecting United States here. City, based on the country, state will be filtered. Well, let's say I am selecting state as California. So based on California, all the cities of California will be filtered. And in this, I want city Los Angeles. So there you go. No need of manually typing or no fear of inconsistent data. Isn't that just simple? So if you're looking to modernize your Dynamics 365 experience, improve data quality, and make life easier, this PCF control is built for you. We can't wait to see how you use it. If you enjoyed this launch, don't forget to let us know from the comment section. Thank you for watching us.